flying high where clouds are spread, with wings so bright a colorful show, singing songs where breezes blow. Oh, little parrot up in the sky, teach us to laugh and teach us to fly. Your cheerful chatter, sweet and true, brings a rainbow's joy to all you do. Perching lightly on a tree, whistling tunes so happily, eating fruits so juicy and sweet, with a happy chirp, you're such a treat. Oh, little parrot up in the sky, teach us to laugh and teach us to fly. Your cheerful chatter, sweet and true, brings a rainbow's joy to all you do. Pretty parrot, day or night, your songs fill hearts with pure delight. Thank you for your joyful art, a feathered friend to warm the heart.